Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Special Mom. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel to know more about my life with a CP kid. So this video is part 2 of what I use for Kati in day-to-day life, and I hope this video helps many new parents and also parents who have special needs kids. Do check our previous video for part 1 of what I use for Kati, and let's get into the topic now. First is let me show what I use for his grooming.
Use
Like
this Mom's Co body talc, and there is also Mom's Co cream which I use for him. And in the night for the mosquitoes and all, I just use this fabric roll-on from Goodnight. This is so good, not too bad flavor or something. Like it is good for kids, and only two drops can make all the mosquitoes go away. I have been using this from Karthik's 6 month, and like everyone is having, I also have a thermometer. And recently I got him these swimming goggles. He won't go for swimming, but as this is lockdown and it is not good outside, if I had to take him outside by any chance, so I got him these. In the evenings I'm taking him like 10 minutes just for the fresh air, so I'll keep this and take him down. And this is the important thing I want to tell to many parents, like many new parents. Maybe you people don't know, there are something which is called the cloth diapers. So this one is from Baby Hug, and these are like life saviors. But see, coming to normal diapers, like the panty diapers and all, there are chemicals included in it, and it is not so good using them all the time. So these are like, you can use them for baby when he is sleeping in the night or in the morning for 2 to 3 hours. They can stay good. See, these cloth diapers have this cloth which we have to keep inside this. So we have to insert the cloth into this and then wear this to the baby this way. It basically looks like this when it is on the baby. So this will help baby prevent from infections and all, but make sure you wash it with hot water perfectly and dry it under sun. And coming to Karthik's health, he is having mild sight, so I use these glasses for him. Doctor recommended these glasses for him. Generally, any CP baby will have at least a little sight, so it is better to keep checking with the doctor for every 6 months or every year at least. So I recommend every parent who is having a special needs kid, you go to a doctor, like to an eye specialist, so that they can help you. And I also have these shoes for Karthi. These are customized according to his wish. Like he used to like Chota Beam sometimes, so I made it with the Chota Beam picture on it. And these shoes are customized according to his foot, like according to the size of his leg and foot. So these can help to make his legs straight and be like this, like normal. Generally CP kids will have toes up, like their leg is like this all the time, so this will help their leg to stabilize and to maintain this angle of the leg. And we also have something called the knee push. Knee push is basically something which is to straighten the leg of the baby. So basically this thing comes in the middle. So this is how it looks. See, this thing has to be on the knee, and this on the thigh, and this on the bottom. So when I wear this, Karthik's leg is basically straight. Normally cerebral palsy kids are having legs like this, so to make them straight we use this thing. This is called a knee push, and his physiotherapist have suggested us this knee push and the splints. So both of these things help really great for cerebral palsy kids. And he's also having a therapy swing which we really don't use. Like we don't know how to use it properly yet. We just got it and we are not using it. And Karthi is also having this beautiful rocker from when he was born. So he used to sleep all through the night when he's like 6 months and 7 months old. And Karthi is also having this beautiful rocker which we got when he was like 6 months old, and he used to sleep all through night in it. And this is also from Baby Hug, and we purchased it from like with a good deal from First Cry. And First Cry is having good deals on like baby things, baby grade things and all. So anyone new parents here, you can try. And this is Karti's stroller, which we are not using right now because of the lockdown and all. Generally, I take him for a walk at least like 10 to 15 minutes in the evening in this. He likes it a lot. And there is his high chair on the other side, which he will never use because Karti hate being on this. But this is a great chair for kids, like for normal kids, I can say, because they can have their breakfast, lunch, everything on this thing. This basically have a tray here, but I removed it because Karti is not liking it. Even this is a baby hug one, and we purchased it again from First Cry. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you.